Air purifiers, they're built to be able to clean the air around you, reduce allergens, reduce pollution, reduce viruses so that you just have a better quality of life when you are at home. I love them and I have several. We have cute ones like this, which is a penguin-inspired air purifier. We have serious ones like this, which is from Sharp and costs an arm and a leg, even has a haze mode. And we have ridiculously overpriced air purifier fans such as the Dyson Pure Cool Me, which sells for over 20,000 pesos. One over here, one over there. In fact, we love the air purifier from Sharp so much that we have another one here in the living room. And last but not the least, we have this new air purifier that I just got today. This is the Xiaomi Air Purifier 2S. And true to Xiaomi's style of creating awesome products, high quality products at much lower prices, this one delivers. By far, among all of the air purifiers that I've bought and used, this is probably one of the best. Okay, so what makes it awesome? First, you have this one, which is a display, which shows you all the important information that you need about the filter. You have this one, which is like a 360 grill, which takes in the air. And you have this one, which is a giant like fan, which blows out really clean air. There are like 3 different modes. One is night mode. This one is like the, I think, care mode, which is the loudest version of sucking in and blowing out air. And then you have automatic. And this automatic mode bases it off what the current situation is of your environment in the room that you have it at. Now here at the back, you have the actual filter. So this is actually a 3-filter setup that's able to soak in allergens, dirt, viruses, and whatever kinds of pollutants that are in the immediate area where it is situated in. You can also use the app on your smartphone to be able to control it, just like with all other Xiaomi products. You can even automate it with the Mi Home app. My only issue is that for some reason I can't get the app to work on an iPhone, but I will be trying it on an Android device, and that should work, well, much better than an iPhone, I guess. But probably one of the best things about this particular device is really the value. The Xiaomi Air Purifier 2S sells for a little over 7,000 pesos on Lazada. I'll put a link down below where you guys can, buy one if you want it. And you don't have to change filters too much because unlike, for example, the Dyson, wherein you have to change the filter every month and it will cost you like 5,000 pesos, you're looking at paying 60,000 pesos every year upkeep for that air purifier / fan. For this one, I think the refill is around 2,000 and it should last you anywhere from 3 to 6 months. In short, in Tagalog, mas murang gamitin yung sa Xiaomi dahil mas makakatipid ka dun sa filter na napapalitan buwan-buwan. Dito, 3 to 6 months na nga versus dun sa Dyson, buwan-buwanan. Yung sa Sharp naman, it's so hard to find the filters. Before, we actually had to go to the mall to be able to buy it. Unlike with Xiaomi, all you have to do is to buy the filters on Lazada and it conveniently arrives in your home when you need to change the filters. And that's why I think among all the air purifiers that I've tried, this one from Xiaomi is one of the best in terms of value, function, and overall look. Because if you take a look at the previous ones that I showed you, from Sharp to the Penguin and to even Dyson, they kind of look weird. They look like air purifiers. This one is actually very clean, rounded edges, not too heavy. You can actually move it around, and it is something that you would want in rooms where you are constantly in, be it your home office or your living room, like what we have right now here in the situation that I have here at home. So yeah, guys, if you want to buy one, the link to Lazada can be found down below. I bought this, got shipped a couple of days later. Really happy with this purchase. And that's actually it for our vlog for today. I hope you guys are fine. Please do take note if you are wondering who the winner is of the Realme C3 smartphone raffle. I actually uploaded it and announced it yesterday, so check the vlog last night so you guys can see if you won or not. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.